welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the channel with the same name, English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at an often requested grammar lesson. What? Grammar? Yeah, grammar. We're going to do some grammar. Today we're going to look at the two pronouns that confuse people. Not because they don't know what they mean. It's confusing because people aren't sure when should they use them. Today we're going to take a look at I versus me. Huh? Yes, I am SL Rockfish. You are here to join me. Oh, I used them both. I is the subject. We use I when it's the subject. And what is a subject? A subject is that person or thing that does the action. Now, I am happy you're here. Who's happy? I am. Got it. I'm doing the action. They're both pronouns, but me is used when it's for the object. When I am getting the recipient, or when I am the receiver of the action, I switch I to me. For example, Jane and I went to the mall. Here I am. I went to the mall. I did the action. Take Jane out of it, I still went to the mall. But Joe gave a present to Jane and me, not Jane and I, because we are the object in this sentence. We receive the action. He gave it to me. Got it? So, can you get me a present? Yeah. And then you say, here's the present. I say, thank you. You gave it to me. Got it? Not you gave it to I. Here's another rule you need to know. When using I and me in sentences and in speech, you always put the other person first if you're using more than yourself. What? Let's look. Jane and I. We never say I and Jane went to this mall. And we don't say me and Jane because we're doing the action. And Jane comes first, then I. Why? Because it's proper and it's polite. Then, if it's the object and it's me, Joe gave a present to Jane and me. Now, Jane comes first. I could say, and we say it a lot in conversation, yeah, she gave it to me and Jane, but that's not the proper way. If you're writing on a test or in a letter or just speaking formally, always say the person's name first and then me. Always say the person's name first and then I. Got it? Now, let's review. I and me both are pronouns. A pronoun is a word in place of another word. Got it? I is used as a subject in a sentence. That means it does the action. It's a person or thing that does the action. That's what a subject is. So I when it's the subject. Me when it's the object. What's the object? An object is that which action is done to. What? Yeah. Object is that which receives the action. For example, Jane and I went to the mall. I'm the subject. I'm doing the action. Joe gave a present to Jane and me. I'm receiving the present, receives the action. That's me. Got it? I know it can be confusing, but I promise if you watch this slowly, and maybe if you slow down the speed if I'm speaking too quickly, my apologies. But now you can read and understand this set of sentences. And I'm going to read it slowly, and I underline the words to show you where to find them. I bought a gift. Joe went with me. He and I had fun. In the end, the present was for me. I was so surprised. What? Yeah, I, subject, me, object, I, subject, me, object, I, subject. Got it? If you need to rewind, go ahead, do it again. I will read it more slowly this time. I bought a gift. Joe went with me. He and I had fun. In the end, the present was for me. I was so surprised. What? Come on, English. No, really, that's it. I versus me. I does the action. Me receives the action. You and me, we're going to be okay. What? No, you and I, we're going to be fine. Peace, friends.